How are you, my gorgeous viewers? Hope you all fine. Today I'm here with another vlog of free Udemy courses. You know I come up with free Udemy courses every week. So in this course I will tell you about some most demandable courses ever on Udemy, and I thought you guys should enroll in this course. Oh, I thought you are leaving the video. Don't leave the video because these courses are highly demandable, and I am just telling you about of those courses which are free at the moment. I have just applied coupon course, and go enroll in this course. And links are below in the video. And once Ali Worthwing, a famous business coach, said, those people who take skill development, lending growth in your own hands will be tomorrow's leader. So go and enroll in this video and share our video as well. So there you go, the details are. So this is our first step. This course is for those people who want to know about business and import export work. Then this course is for those people. Go and enroll in this course. This course is free for 2 days. I have applied coupon code, that's why it's free for 2 days. So it's great opportunity for those people who don't have enough resources to get these intriguing courses. So go enroll in this course. Quite important course for those people who want to know more about shipment planning, understanding of transport, logistics, import export planning, cargo insurance, supply chain management. So good course for these people or students who want to know about supply chain, shipment management, import export planning. So this is our second course, and this course is good for web development students, professionals, because HTML5 and CSS sometimes or JavaScript sometimes difficult for people. So web development with Python is a bit easy task. So go and enroll in this course because Python with Django web development is a bit exciting and great course and free as well for 2 days. So go enroll in this course. You can do back-end development with Django, and Python with Django is quite easy language as well. So this is our third course. This is for graphic designers and for those people who want to do freelancing, want to do design t-shirt, business card, want to design cover, calendar, mask, even t-shirt design. You can do anything with this with Photoshop. So go enroll in this course, and even you can do retouching, business card design with Photoshop. And this course is free for 1 day and quite persuasive course on Udemy and highly demandable. Another great course. Go enroll in it. And fourth course, this course is for civil engineers who want to know more about quantity survey, rate analysis, estimation, takeoff. You can do pre-contract, contracts, post-contract, construction and construction estimation, build of quantity, and this type of analysis of house, and good for real estate businessmen and civil engineers. This is our fifth course. This course is quite important as well for every man who want to do marketing for his business, and go enroll in this course and know how to do social media marketing with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, even on Twitter, Pinterest, etc. Great course, highly paying job as well. You can do affiliate marketing as well. After learning in this course, quite highly demandable course. Enroll now. And this is our seventh course today. No, sixth course for today. Make you pardon. Sixth course for today. This course is based on Daraz. Daraz is Pakistani e-commerce platform, and this course is in Urdu and Hindi. So if you want to do dropshipping, e-commerce business, online business, so go enroll in this course. This is Pakistan's biggest e-commerce platform, just like Amazon. It's available in Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. So another great course just to get complete knowledge about Daraz and how to sell on Daraz. 3-hour long course, and 2 days left, and this price free because of applying coupon code. It's free for 2 days. Go enroll in this course. This is quite important course as well because it's based on ethical hacking. This course is for IT and network students who want to know more about Kali Linux, which is a great thing in hacking, how to do hacking. Ethical hacking is a great course as well. You can demonstrate the ability to perform an entry-level penetration test. You can hack and secure wide networks, discover, scan, exploit network vulnerabilities in hacking, and it's great course as well, and highly demandable 9.5-hour long course. So this is quite highly demandable course. Over 1 lakh students are enrolled in this course. And this is another great course. Over 3 lakh students have enrolled in this course till now, and this thing tells you how important and demandable course this is. Because Python is quite easy language, and you can develop web development, you can do web development, you can design games application with Python languages, and this is today's wonder. You can create desktop application using database using Python, real working games using Python. You can develop data visualization using Seaborn in Python. And a great course. Go enroll this course. Why you are waiting for? Go enroll, hurry up. I have already enrolled, that's why go to our option is you are seeing go to option here. Otherwise it's free. Go enroll in this course. So this is our last course. No, this is YouTube is last course. This is our second last course, Extreme Animation Digital Marketing. This course is for another course for marketing. People want to know about artificial intelligence in digital marketing, how to sales up their business, how to make automation app creation, device training tools, how to speed up marketing. If you so go enroll in this course if you want to do marketing with AI tools. Great course, English, it's in English, do our on demand course, and go enroll this course. This is go to our course is just because I already applied in this course, and free for 2 days. Another good course, and I have told you that after enrolling this course, these courses will be you can use these courses for lifetime. So go and enroll in this course. This is our last course. This is for those people who want to who have YouTube channel, who want to market their YouTube business, who want to do marketing YouTube channels. And it's a great course as well, because over 1 lakh students have enrolled in this course, and great ratings as well. Drastically important for you. You want to make popular your YouTube channel. So go enroll in this course. No premium experience required, only enroll in this course, only passion required to do in this course, and if your focus is required, go enroll in the course and share a video with your friends and family members, and don't miss the chance to enroll in these courses. And stay tuned for next video. Thanks for listening me. Thanks for today.